Welcome to the new video of St. Joseph International School, Gopalpura, Jhalawad. This is the video for class 6th, where I'll be discussing about the deficiency disease, which is a topic of lesson number 2. Now, in this video, I'll be discussing about the vitamins, their sources, and deficiency disease related with the vitamins. Okay, now let's start. Our first vitamin is vitamin A. So from where we get vitamin A? We get vitamin A in a very famous example of carrot and leafy vegetables. Yes, the leafy vegetables are the source of vitamin A, students. If there is no vitamin in your diet, especially vitamin A in your diet, then you will be suffering from night blindness. You will be unable to see at night. Yes. Vitamin B. Vitamin B is found in milk, okay, and in the green veggies, in the green vegetables. Okay, if there is no vitamin B in your diet, that person will be suffering from beriberi. Yes. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in lemon, amla, orange, etc. All the sour fruits, citrus fruit. Now, if there is no vitamin C in your diet, you will be having scurvy. Yes. Fourth is vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is found especially in early morning sunlight. You must use it early morning sunlight. Your elders must have told you about the benefit of early morning sunlight. And even in the milk. Okay. Now, if there is no vitamin D, then you will be suffering from rickets. Yes, it is also a deficiency disease, rickets. Vitamin E. Okay, vitamin E is found in sprouts. Yes, in sprouts, in dry fruits, like almonds. Okay. So sprouts and dry fruits, even the green vegetables are also the source of vitamin E. What happens if there is no vitamin E? Yes, there will be a disease, not a disease, but a symptomatic word, muscle weakness. Muscle weakness. Yes, students. Now, students, it's time for vitamin K. Vitamin K is responsible for clotting your blood at the time of injury or wound. So vitamin K are found in the vegetables like cauliflower and cabbage and many more. But you must remember cauliflower and cabbage. And if there is no vitamin K in your diet, then you will be suffering from a disease that is known as hemorrhage. What is hemorrhage? Hemorrhage is a kind of continuous bleeding where a person gets no check on its bleeding injury. So this was for vitamins only. In the next section of this video, we will be discussing about the other minerals and nutrients and their deficiency disease. Okay, then get ready for the next section of the video also. Thank you. Hello students, now again welcome you to the another section of this video where we have changed the name of the minerals and nutrients, and we will be discussing about their sources and their deficiency diseases. Students, so the first point or the first mineral or nutrition is protein. You know that protein is the building block of our body. We get the proteins from pulses, fruits and meat. Pulses, fruits and meat. Now what happens if we don't get protein? Yes, there will be a disease, a very famous disease, a very negatively famous disease. What we call it, Kyosho. This is a very ridiculous kinds of disease, especially seen in Africa, where the children are with protruding belly out, low immune, mentally retarded. Yes, it is a very dangerous disease. So protein consumption is very necessary. My second point I have taken here, protein and carbohydrates along with the same point. Yes, there is a system, sometimes there is a malnutrition where protein and carbohydrates are not in our diet. This is very dangerous situation where there is no protein and carbohydrates in our diet. From where we can get the both? Yes, we are lucky enough, we are fortunate enough that we use to have everything in our diet, like dal roti, dal chawal, and fish rice, especially popular in South India. Now this is the protein sources, dal and fish is the protein sources, and the roti and the rice are carbohydrate sources. So it is also required carbohydrate and protein at the same time. What happens if there is no such thing in our diet? Yes, it also leads to a very dangerous disease known as marasmus. Beta, what happens in this disease? In this disease, बहुत weak हो जाती है पूरी body. The body becomes literally very weak that even you can see the skeleton of the sufferer. Okay, this is very dangerous disease. Third, iron. We get iron from the fruits, from the spinach and various other sources. Now the iron is the main source of hemoglobin formation. If there is no iron, you will be suffering from anemia. Anemia is the deficiency of actually hemoglobin, a blood deficiency actually. Calcium. Calcium is found in milk and in eggs and various other sources. If there is deficiency of calcium in children, then they will be suffering from rickets. Okay, younger. Okay. If there is deficiency of calcium in adults or in the young adults, like teenage, after teenage, they will be suffering from osteoporosis. Now, what is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is the disease in which the bones become very brittle, very weak in nature. It happens with the women of higher age, osteoporosis. So women should take care of their calcium diet. Iodine. Iodine is found in iodized salt, now available in India everywhere. It was been very much propagated by the government to consume only iodized salt. Seafood can be the source of iodine also. What happens if there is no iodine in our diet? Yes, there is a disease known as goiter, where the neck or the throat becomes swollen. Okay, this is goiter disease. The deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. Sixth, phosphorus. Now phosphorus is found in cereals and milk. In the cereals we eat, in the milk, it leads to the rickets. Okay, like muscle weakness also. Sodium and potassium found in common salt and fruits. You know that the common salt is just another NaCl, sodium chloride. Yes, sodium chloride is common salt. So sodium is found in common salt and it is also found in fruits. Now what happens if there is no sodium? This is another disease known as paralysis can also happen. Okay, and muscle weakness. This should be learned by you, that you must have to consume each and everything in a balanced form. That's why the balanced diet is taught to you, so that from the young age you start learning about the balanced diet. Okay, zinc. Zinc is found in peas, beans and chicken. So zinc is also necessary. Vegetarians can have this from the peas and beans. Zinc deficiency can lead to the very dangerous disease cancer, and it can also promote pneumonia if there is no zinc. Okay, fluorine is found in seafood and the India's famous tea. Yes, fluorine is found in seafood and tea. What happens if there is not sufficient fluorine in your diet? Yes, you will be having dental issues, dental caries. Okay, student, now this has been done for the deficiency disease. Okay, I hope you will be learning, and you will be just not just learning, you will be adopting it for your lifetime journey. Thank you very much. This was me, Pratik. I hope you are safe at home and enjoying